Hello everyone, welcome to Must Watch Tips by AB. My name is Ayman Sheikh and today in this video we will learn how to apply drop down function. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So suppose here we have the name and now I want to add the country, but I don't want to type the country name again and again like India, then China. So what I will do, I will insert the drop down and just I need to select the country name from that drop down list. So to insert a drop down, first we will go to data and then data validation. So this symbol is the data validation function symbol, and now you can see here we have three options: data validation, circle invalid data, and clear validation circle. So right now we need to go on data validation. Now allow, so here we will allow the list and we have the list of country. So in this source I will select this country list and I will press OK. So you can see that now we have the drop down and now we don't need to type the name of country again and again. We can just directly select the country from here. And now if I want that, right now here India is there, I can delete it and I can drag this same cell in this. So now in Excel also you can see that in all the cells we have a drop down. So this way I can select the country name without typing same country name again and again. And if I will add one more country, suppose Nepal. So let's see that do we have Nepal over here? No. So for this, what we need to do, we need to go to data validation again, data validation, and you can see that here I have the range till I7 only. So instead of I7, I can select till I10. Now here if see, now we have Nepal and some empty cells as well. So in after Nepal, if I will be adding some another country as UK, so still you can see that UK will be in the list. So if you are adding a drop down and you feel that in future the list can get increased, so you can have some empty cells also in your list. And I will just delete this name and drag this list. So everywhere I can see that here I have the different newly added country names as well. So this way you can add this list over here. Now if I want to add the same list, so you can see that I after dragging the list still the formula drag down formula is same. So to apply the drop down in this qualification, what I need to do is again I need to go to the data validation and then select the list, and here I can select this range, the qualification range, and this way I can find the list of qualification also. Now if you don't want to select the list like this way and here I just want to write yes or no, so either what you can do, you can write yes and no and then you can select the two lists like this two options only. So I will go on validation tool and here I am selecting list. I will write yes, comma, no, and you can see that in this drop down I have yes and no. So this way also I can make the drop down list for yes or no or true or false if you want. So if two options only you want, then you can make the list that way as well. So that's all for this video. See you in next video. Thank you.